Legend tells of a legendary warrior whose kung fu skills were the stuff of legend. He traveled the land in search of worthy foes. I see you like to chew. Maybe you should chew on my fist. The warrior said nothing, for his mouth was full. Then he swallowed, and then he spoke.
Enough, Tor! Let's fight!
He was so deadly in fact that his enemies go blind from overexposure to pure awesomeness.
My eyes! He's too awesome!
And attractive!
How can we repay you? There is no charge for awesomeness or attractiveness.
It mattered not how many foes he faced. They were no match for his bodacity. Never before had a panda been so feared and so loved. Even the most heroic heroes in all of China, the Furious Five, bowed in respect to this great master. We should hang out.
Agree.
But hanging out would have to wait. Because when you're facing a 10,000 demons of Demon Mountain, there's only one thing that matters. And that's...
Po, get up! You'll be late for work. Get up! You'll be late for work.